Welcome to my new AG set.
Hey guys, welcome back to PerkyTomato, and today I have some very exciting news. So this week is my YouTube channel's 2-year anniversary, and my actual anniversary is May 15th, but I'm going to be keeping a little party going this whole week long on here and on Instagram, so make sure you follow me on my Instagram. It's at PerkyTomato. I'm going to be doing a separate giveaway there, so that's a little heads up. So yeah, on May 15th, my channel will have existed for 2 years, so I'm not going to bore you with a long little award speech thing, but I do want to say thank you to those who are new and those who have been watching for a while. You're all very special to me, and yes, so as you already have read from the title, I'm going to be doing a giveaway. Okay, so what am I going to be giving away? Well, I'm going to be giving away, drumroll please, a $25 online Etsy gift card. I think Etsy was the perfect place because there are so many small businesses that I want to help support, and you could buy like AG wigs, AG clothes, really anything you want, and if you really browse around on the website, you can find some really neat stuff. So yeah, a $25 online gift card that I will just email to you if you win. So if you're interested in entering, there are just 4 easy steps that you have to do to enter. First, you must be subscribed, since this is for my subscribers. Second, you have to share this with 3 people. This is just so that others can find out about this giveaway, and also that I can be found out by maybe some new people. And also, if you have Instagram, please share on there. Third, this is very, very important. You must be 13 or older to enter. It's the rule set by the government, so please do not enter if you're under 13. It will help me out and basically help me not to get sued, so yeah. And fourth and finally, you have to comment below that you want to enter and that you did the other steps and that you are over 13 or 13. So just say, I'm going to be entering, so I know to count you in. So yeah guys, that's basically it. Those are the simple steps. I just wanted to give back to you amazing humans because I love you so much, and sadly there's only one winner. I can't give away like 800 gift cards, but yes, maybe one day I can. But so yeah, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below because I love talking to you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Enjoy the video? Watch more here. Subscribe and like the video, and most of all share this channel. I'm eating chips, by the way.